Yep, sure up, do the old alternator on the little Ford, and having some issues getting the hood up, so I don't know what's, oh god. Had to move my van a little bit farther away, using a dead weight, hoping this gets this hood popped. That's something else, man. Show up on a job, do something silly, and gotta figure out what kind of magic combination you gotta use to get the hood open. Is that it? She's stuck. This is aggravating. I'm gonna charge more for this stuff. Yeah. Come on, break it. Yeah, just some things I noticed. This heat shield probably rattling to drive them nuts, and the bolts aren't all the way down in there. I don't know what's up with that. But and over there I seen that, and I don't know what else I'm gonna see. But that is for the transmission bracket. Let me back this thing out and see what else I see over there. Why is that? Yeah, that's for the shifty doohickey thing. Oh yeah, I tested the battery. Yeah, it's got one bolt on it. Somebody messed with the other bolt. It's got more marks on it. I know it's hard to see. Oh, but yeah, there's a little more marks on that. Anyway, tested out the battery. She's good. About ready to do the continuity test from the red to the alternator. Got the old one dug out of there. About ready to remove a heat shield and put it on this one. That's interesting. A lot of times people bust up them heat shields, but little picks, little handy dandy picks, you'll get them right out of there. Alright, got your alternator put back in there. I went ahead and tightened up your heat shield. There's some hose clamps over here that was loose too. Tightened up some things. Belt back on. Let me start it up and see how it goes for you. Right now we're at 11.7. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I remember talking about the diagnosis. It seems like your ignition's out. Yeah, you got a bad ignition switch. Down here looking at the starter on this vehicle that fella put in for yesterday, he left some of the wiring unhooked, but more importantly, he has one of the wires touching up here on the solenoid. It's hard to be cameraman down here. Trying to see if I can even see the damn thing. That's right there. Let me zoom in. Zoom in. Oh, shit. Shit. So, as I'm going through hell and back trying to help this lady out, like I was saying, somebody put this starter on, and yeah, so it's not wanting to crank. She's telling me it done okay for a very little bit or something after dude put the starter on. Man, if I could just get some light down here. It's hard as hell being cameraman, but there's a ground wire right there that's loose as hell. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna fix that. Jesus. Alright, so that's my little battery tester. It's supposed to have this many beans in it, 600. You only got 9 beans. So, I got a good tester battery right up here. I pack around with me. It's a ultra primo kind of thing. Let's see what happens with this. It could be just that simple. Well, I guess simple enough, but yeah. Let me get this thing hooked up in here. Ugh. Oh, I gotta stop the recording. Stopped. Alright, there's a little fancy receipt and battery test. It's kind of like a credibility thing. Got some mechanical mumbo jumbo shit numbers for me and just a graph for the, you know, layman's terms. Alright, got 12.6 in there. Want my battery and some okey doke. Let's just get by to test this out. Kind of wire in there. Let's see what happens now. Let's see what happens now with my little Grand Theft Auto shit here. Got the mailman pulling up. Hey, will the dash come on? Chip beeps. Let's start it. Radio's on. Turn the fuck off. Hey, it's a winner. Need a battery. So I told the customer up front, you know, unless she wants me to diagnose it, I'm just a parts changer at this point, and that's what happened. However, I ended up diagnosing it, yeah, as you've seen, and that's just an awful thing. I charge $120 to do that alternator and then go through the diagnosing it properly. And she said 6 other people, and one of them put a starter on for her or something yesterday and done some other stuff in the video. Yeah, $120, and now she's got to go get a battery.